Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Finding the correct graph for a car with positive velocity and negative acceleration is simple if you follow these steps. First, we look at the velocity. Since the problem states velocity is positive, the position function must be increasing over the entire interval. This means the graph must always go up. Next, we check the acceleration. Negative acceleration means the second derivative is negative, so the graph must be concave down. Look for a curve that bends like a frowning face here. Combining these facts, we need an increasing concave down graph. Only one option fits the shape, making option A our winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid rush. Trust given information and check steps for success.